Have you ever wondered what Barrios' improvisations sound like? Want to know more? He actually wrote them down. We're going to be checking out this next section of the Cathedral and Barrios' improvised ideas in this section. So let's just dive straight into the Cathedral Part 3 by Agustin Barrios. Right, welcome to this first fantastic micro-study. So essentially here we're dealing with B minor, but B minor in an open way. String 4, hammer on to F sharp at fret 4. Then you're going to do a B to D with fingers 1 and 4. Then you're going to back to F sharp, open B. Letting that all go. A sharp to B, 6 to 7. 3, C sharp to B, D to B. And then we're going to take that down, little diminished scale fragment, D to B. So in essence, Barrios is doing a fantastic classic improvisation on all of the notes of the B minor. And then into that clash. So there we've got that G sharp to F. So again, from a jazz perspective, that would be inside outside. So we're inside the notes, slightly outside, inside, outside, inside. That is how Barrios is probably thinking about this. Anyway, that is the first micro study. Get those notes under your fingers, and then we're going to crack on with the rest of this fantastic improvisation. Just love it. Rightio, we left it off at an open B. You're then going to do A sharp to B again, but on string 3. C sharp to B. And then you're going to come down a scale fragment. D, C, B, A on string 4, open G. So again, you can shift. Notice how Barrios is shifting on the open strings. E sharp, super important. Fantastic tone, and it is throughout this entire piece. So here we get a lovely little fragment. Barrios then goes back to open G, puts the F sharp in, and then circles back. So that bar there, that's bar 51. Third finger down on that F sharp. Back into a lovely little fragment of B minor. Everything there is doable, and I would suggest that you learn it from the focus on the fingering, focus on the open strings, open string shifts. Take it really, really slowly. This is Barrios improvising. And again, make sure that you're aware of where we have F sharp, where we have B minor, and outside notes. Welcome to the next micro study. So we left it off here. E sharp to F sharp, B minor, pull off, little fragment, which we've seen before. Shifting on that open B, full bar at 6, super important. E sharp to F, A sharp, C sharp with the 4th finger, and then you're going to shift this entire unit up. 4, 3, 1, 3, 1. Super important. Then your bar next is going to shift down to the 4th fret, into that C7 shape, and then you're going to move through the arpeggio with right hand doing most of the work here. Hammer onto the B, and then again leaving the bar down, right hand doing the selection, F in the bass here, A sharp to B, A sharp to G, and then you're going to shift forward with 2 and 4. So that is like the link up to the notes, the last 2 notes of bar 54. Do it in sections, take your time, get used to the fingering. Obviously the score will help you here, but this is Barrios improvising for sure. Welcome to the next micro study. Here it is a full repeat. I'm just going to go through the repeat until we hit the next series of new ideas. From 55. here we go. Cycle of 5, starting on an E. 7, open B. 7, second finger, open E. G sharp to B. Noticing my fingers, and then it is an A in the bass, pull off. 3 to 1, 7th fret. 4, open E. D to C sharp. Because obviously that's the A chord. Next, cycle of 5 chord, D. Hammer on. This should be familiar to most people, and then you're going to just slide that entire thing up till we get to G. So essentially we have had lovely little cycle there into that next sort of idea. Take it nice and slowly. Making sure, you can see in that camera angle there, I'm dampening that bass. And I will pick it up from there in the next micro study. Picking it up from that G, 1 to 4 hammer, G to B, open, move, F sharp, and here we go, scale fragment again. Staying in that position, 1 to 4, 0 to 1, open strings, then shifting, it has got to be 2 4, 2 0, 4 2, so that you can get that first finger in on the F sharp, super important. So again, I'm going to do that. And then we're into bass line moves up. Note my fingers. Lovely linking, bridging idea there from Barrios. Noticing my fingers just quickly. 4 3 2. Then I use a 3 2 3. Open. 4 through 1. That is slightly different to Barrios, but I find that more comfortable. And then we're back into the A section for a full repeat of pretty much most of it with the extra. If you want to check that out, I'm going to run through this entire thing in slow motion so that you get a feel for all of these ideas and you can see what I am doing. Thank you very much for staying until the end. This has been brought to you by Classical Guitar Rocks, my baby. There are a ton of lessons there, all modern music. So if you want some more Barrios, you want to check out his fantastic tremolo piece, and On for the Love of God, it's there. Villalobos, all 12 etudes, all 5 preludes, they're there. Brouwer, Diens, Tango in Sky, Valse in Sky. I'm going to be recording Libre Sonatine soon as well. Head over to Classical Guitar Rocks for some 6-string inspiration today.